When you open TikTok, it randomly opens up with a particular post, and that post always comes with a background sound or music. Suppose you are not wearing your earphone and maybe you are on the train, you are in the bus. Imagine how embarrassed that will be. In this video, I'm going to show you how to auto mute TikTok each time you open it up. Let's dive in. I will open my TikTok right here. You see, this is music playing. This is how you go about it. You go to your profile, click on the top 3 lines, settings and privacy. Scroll down until you see playback. Now under the playback, you have to click on open TikTok on mute. Videos will be muted by default. This will only work when TikTok is inactive for a very long time, or when you close TikTok and then open it again. So if you just open it now and you switch to viewing another app and then you come back immediately, that sound will still be there. The video won't be muted. For me, the auto volume adjustment is also turned on, so TikTok will try to automatically adjust it if the music is too loud. If you enjoy watching this video and you want to get more stuff like this one, don't forget to hit the like button, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share, and don't forget to follow if you are not a follower. I will see you next time. Armando Vision.